Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu A1 Mini filament jam in AMS Lite Hub, unjam and resume print. Step 1. Remove the PTFE tubes and filament hub. Turn off your Bambu Lab A1 Mini and move the tool head to the center of the print bed. Now press the black release collar on the AMS Lite Hub and gently pull the PTFE Bowden tube out. Now carefully remove the filament hub from the top of the tool head. The hub is spring-loaded, so hold it securely while releasing the retaining clips with flat nose tweezers or a small flat head screwdriver. Inspect the bottom of the filament hub and both ends of the PTFE tubes for any broken or protruding filament. Step 2. Clear the filament blockage. If a filament piece is stuck inside the PTFE tube, disconnect the tube from the AMS light feeder. Then insert a stiff wire or a straight piece of fresh filament into the tube and gently push the broken filament out from the opposite end. And if the blockage is inside the filament hub, insert a fresh piece of filament through the tube connector to push the broken fragment out of the hub. For stub-on jams, carefully open the filament hub cover with flathead tweezers and remove the debris manually. Step 3. Check the hot end and extruder. If the hub is clear but the filament still won't feed, heat the nozzle using maintenance mode on the printer. Then press the filament cutter level to cut and release any trapped filament. Then remove the front tool head cover and use needle nose pliers to pull out any jammed filament from the extruder or hot end. Step 4. Reassemble and test. Reinstall the spring and snap the filament hub cover back into place, ensuring all clips lock securely. Now reconnect every PTFE tube until it clicks firmly into the fittings. Then turn the printer back on. Run a manual load filament test from the AMS Lite menu to confirm the filament feeds smoothly through the hub and into the extruder. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.